Neighbor. Neighbor, your wife don't come on.
Yes,
Good afternoon. Where did he own this journal? Okay.
Mugbe wala handicap.
Hi. Oh wow. This generator not just green on, eh? The heat is too much, neighbor. I don't even know what is happening. I don't know why. I don't know why my gen dey gree on, eh? I don't know why. I don't know why my gen no gree on.
Well, keep trying now.
I want to do this kind of thing now.
It is very, 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 very shameful.
Neighbor now. Can't you help me and on the generator?
My hands are paining me. Actually, I did something recently and I'm having seizures on this hand.
Do you need
No, please, it's okay.
Are you sure you don't need massage?
No, I don't need it. I'm fine. My wife just did it before she left.
Okay.
Here.
Neighbor, why can't you just come inside and help me and on the generator, eh? Help me now. Just come inside and help me and on this generator.
I don't understand. Are you okay at all?
I just want my generator to be on. What is wrong with it?
What does generator outside have to do with coming inside to on gen for you?
It has a connection inside that you need to connect before it can on. That's why it's giving me stress.
You just better mind yourself. I don't understand this kind of attitude you're
No,
putting on.
wow. I don't know. What is going on now?
Just shift. What's wrong with you?
You the one that keep your leg on the floor. That's why I was almost falling.
Which leg? My leg was actually here. You're the one that tried to. What kind of thing? See, be careful.
Nibo. This part of my leg.
It's your problem. That one is not my issue.
Please, just help me. Yes, dear. It's so painful.
So,
No. It's paining me.
it's okay.
It's paining me.
You'll be fine. Drop the leg down.
Okay.
Keep the leg down. You'll be
I
fine.
can't walk. Just help me and carry me inside.
What kind of help I'm giving to you? Stop holding me now. What's that one?
So you hold me now. You just know just.
I don't need to hold you. I'll just help you.
Hey. Okay.
Oh, it's okay. Just put your leg like that. It's okay.
Okay. You don't want to come inside?
Please go. Thank you.
No, which kind of man behave
Fine.
like this?
Thank you. What's this now?
Why are you behaving like this now, neighbor?
Am I helping you because of your leg or you have some ulterior motive over me? What's that? Come, wait. Oh. Hey. Do you think if I want to do something with a woman, it's somebody like you? Won't I go and look for somebody that has something in their head? Well, what do you have to offer? See, people like you don't freak me. I need women with brain. I like women with head. Did you see my wife? Can't you see how smart, sharp, beautiful, and brilliant she is? Haven't you noticed her whenever she talks in this compound? What's the meaning of this?
Because I say help me on generator. All this one na because I make you help me on the generator.
Is it because?
Ogbeni, keep quiet and leave this place. Wetin happen? I think help me on generator.
Nothing is wrong with the leg again.
Ogbeni, keep quiet. See, who they even want to?
Nothing is wrong with this leg again.
Ogbeni, leave my frontage. Get out.
I will get out.
Person wey get brain. And your brain, all of us people neighbor here for face me.
Don't worry.
Ogbeni, shifty. At least I get past my neighbor. Which one you get? I sure say maybe we be on ourselves. Keep quiet. Woo!
You see?
Get out. I better carry my slippers. Get out, Jare. They live for something that has something in the head. With you and your things when I get for head now, we still be neighbor here. Waiting you can't get one, no get. Because person me just help and this afternoon now just there they do anyhow. Get out.
It is very, 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 very sensitive.